Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Code Writing. Today we can check how to insert, update, delete data using CTE. Okay, so we have one table, customer. Okay, we want to insert data through CTE. Okay, first we can write a CTE. So we can run with CTE cast as. We can open the page. Here we are just display select start from customer. Okay, we can close the page. So we want to insert data to this table through CTE. Okay, so here we can go insert into table name. Same thing, we can use CTE. Insert into CTE values. Next we want ID for name is equal to Peter, and address is add for, and the email is Peter underscore 880 at gmail.com. So presently in the CTE, we are using simple CTE with one table. Okay, so we want to insert data to this table through CTE. So here we can go insert into, instead of table name we are using the CTE values we are passing here. Okay, so we can just execute this query. Now one row affected. We can just check that data table. So data is inserted now. You can see customer ID for Peter is inserted. Okay, so this way we can insert data to the base table. Okay, so this is the base table customer. Okay, next, how to update. So here we are using same CTE. Okay, here we want to update the CTE. So here we can use update CTE cast. We want to set this customer ID for address to add for to address for. Okay, so here we can give address equal to address for from CTE cast where customer ID is equal to 4. We can just execute this query. So here we want to use set update table name. Same thing, update CTE set address. We can just check the columns. Set address is equal to address for where customer ID is equal to 4. Okay, we can just execute. Now one row affected. So customer ID for we changed that address to address for. Okay, we can just check that table. Now customer ID for address change it to address for. Okay, so this way we can update the CTE. Update CTE same like the table. Okay, instead of table we are using the CTE. Okay, next we can check the delete. We can use same CTE. Here we want to delete the data. Okay, so here we can use delete. Delete from CTE where customer ID is equal to 4. We can just execute this query. One row affected. We can just check the data. Now customer ID 4 deleted. Okay. So this way we can use insert, update, delete in CTE. This is based on single base table. Okay. Okay.